Okay, today we're going to take a look at how to embed a video into Blackboard. So first thing we're going to do is go into the folder you want to place your video. So here I'm going to go into my week 6 folder. And then what you want to do is you want to make sure your edit mode is always on. Okay, when your edit mode is off, that just gives you a quick look at what students see. So, but if you want to continue to edit and build your course, you want to make sure your edit mode is clicked on. So we'll click that on and see now that once the edit mode is on, you have your toolbars up here. So to embed a video, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to where you can embed. So for here, for us, we're going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to embed this video here, creating an assignment in Blackboard. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the share button in the video on YouTube, click the share, and then you're given some options. You're given an embed, Twitter, Facebook, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, and copy of the URL. We're going to click the embed button. So now you see that gives you an embed code. You don't have to highlight it. YouTube already gives you a copy button, so you're going to select copy, and it automatically highlights the area and content for you. Once you've copied the embed code, you're going to go back to your Blackboard, go to build content, select item. Now just like how we attach documents to Blackboard, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to name it how to create assignments. Now in the text editor box, what we're going to do is instead of pasting it in the text editor box, we're going to click this little button called HTML. Once that button is pushed, a box pops up where we are going to paste the code that we copied from YouTube. Okay, now remember, in Blackboard you have to use the keyboard commands. So for Macs it's Command C for copy, Command V for paste. For PCs, it's Control C and Control V for paste. Okay, so once you have pasted the HTML code, you'll click Update. Now you know that you will have copied the content when you see a yellow box in the text editor box. Scroll down, make sure you permit users to view this, and then select Submit. Once you do that, you will see your embedded video in Blackboard, and you'll be able to play it. That's how you embed videos in Blackboard.